How to restart your iPhone in two different methods. Now you know that iPhone itself does not have a restart toggle, but I'm still going to show you how you can restart it. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. Now to restart your iPhone, there are typically two ways. The iPhone itself does not have a restart button, right? So what we do is first is we can go to settings. Then once we go to settings, what we do is we go to general and we scroll down to shutdown. So when you tap on shutdown, our iPhone will get turned off, and then we can just power it on again by holding the side button. The second way is we can do this by simply holding the side button, or some iPhones will require you to press and hold the volume down or the volume up and side button. So volume down and side button, slide to power it off. Once it's powered off, just press and hold the power button again to basically restart it or to turn it back on. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon as always in the next video.